Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the cabin filter, pollen filter on this Toyota Auris. So the location for the cabin filter is behind the glove box, so we'll have to take the glove box off completely. We'll have to remove it completely. So we'll open the glove box, and then what we do is to start off with, we're going to disengage this damper here. This is a soft close damper. Okay, so once this is out, okay, you can move it on the side. And now what we do is we just under here we'll just pull the glove box like this, both sides, and there we go. It's a simple forward procedure to remove the glove box. Okay, there we go. Now that we have removed the glove box, the location for the pollen filter is just under here. So this is the clip, so we'll remove the old pollen filter. There we go. Right, so the condition on this pollen filter looks really bad, so we're gonna replace it with the QH filter. Okay, and this one costed us $4.99 from All the Way Auto Parts. Okay, so what we do now is the filter has an arrow. It says flow upwards, so that's what we're gonna do. So this is how we're gonna put it this is how we're gonna put it in, just like that. And now we're gonna replace the cover. Right, there we go. That's how it fits in. And now we'll just fit the glove box back into its place. Right, so what we do is we line up the hinges like this, like that, and then we push the glove box like that. There we go. That's nicely done. And now we're going to clip in the soft close damper, just like that. That's that done nicely. And there we go. That's the pollen filter fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.